Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RC Idiots. We are taking the zero up. Josh is taking the zero up. FMS. We're going to take it up on gyro, then he's going to go off gyro. If you guys tuned in the last video, you've seen what happened with the P40. So we've got it back today fixed with no gyro. Now, like I said, guys, we're kind of beginners. So we're gonna go up on this, get him some little flight time with gyro, and like I said, take it off gyro, and then we're going to try that P40 again. We set it up last night. I think he can do it. I think he can fly it.
And this is your plane too, so
yeah, man,
it's just
no big. It's all,
everything goes good.
It's all our stuff. So.
All right, dude. I said don't record me. I look freaking. Ew. There's a horsefly on me. Where are you?
Look at them socks. Okay,
get them socks to the whole point.
Back to being serious. Okay.
It's America.
All right, and we got a timer up here, right, Josh? So we're at a minute right now. So.
All right, tell me when I get off the ground.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Gyro's on.
Gyro's on. We're going up.
Down. Low rate. We're taking off.
Should be no problem with the zero.
All right.
Although I did crash that last time. It was a little janky. Yeah, that landing gear's a little wanky.
The back wheel's a little. Oh wait, wind's coming this way. I need to take off this way, right?
Yeah, that sock is. Yeah, let's take off. Let's take off this way. It's all right.
The wind's kind of blowing hard.
She should go right up though in the wind. You're at 2 minutes. So.
Dude, your wheels sick. See that? It's like popping air. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, just go up. You still got enough right there.
Should I just full throttle it? See, it starts picking up speed because you're.
Well, you're gonna have to work that rudder a little bit.
I am. I'm trying to work it, but your wheels are so bent that it's bouncing up. See what I'm talking about?
Let's go. There you go.
Feel a little shaky.
You went up at about maybe 215. Maybe 615. We'll think about bringing her down. You got gear up, or dude? I just saw some like sparkles on this thing. And I'm sorry, guys, because I can't see nothing. I don't know. I'm trying to give you a little footage here. Gear's still down. Try to bring her by here and you know, cut your throttle back a little bit and just get close to me and do a gear. Okay, gear's up. Sounding good.
I'm trying to trim it.
And I can't.
Just a little.
I can't see nothing. I'm shaking. This is not. We'll have to do some. Bring her down over here for a low pass.
Dude, I'm fine. Look at that. It's fine.
Keep her near. That's wind. Keep it over here near us. How's she feel though? I mean, looks good. Bring her down a little bit. Bring her down right in front of us. Bring her down. Come on, Dan. Come on. Come on. All right.
For my next maneuver.
If you're gonna do a little off gyros, get out of them trees. I'd rather you do it over here, you know, in the open.
I'm getting altitude.
This is not gonna be good footage, people. Cause I'm shaky. I don't even know if the plane's in the picture. I can't see nothing.
Dude, it's like your plane is so jank, bro.
Well, you got wind up there too, don't forget. We got a good little wind here today. You get up, you're pretty high.
All right, going off gyro.
I just be, you know, baby the controls. Keep your speed up a little bit. About 3/4. Uh-oh. You do. Okay. Do that on purpose. I got you.
Because I'm a little baby and I'm over trees.
Hey.
It's a little windy, so it's a little scary. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fly that P40 now.
Well, if we don't, we got the other 0. You're gonna have to really do some editing on this stuff.
Storm clouds coming in.
All right, you're at 541.
Thinking about coming in. Last low pass.
Yeah, do a low pass, then go back around. All right, I'm gonna pause. Well, I hit this sort of pause, right? And then we'll come back for the landing.
Oh, it'll just be a separate video.
Huh?
Gyro off.